In this video, we're going to talk about psychological or mental stress and how you can use your journal into self-discovery and more better confidence and self-love. And so I'm going to take you through in this video a step-by-step process of how I am using my journal daily into being more calm, relaxed, and in full control and staying on track in life. So keep watching. How can you reduce your mental Okay, try it. This is gonna be some fun bloopers. I'll tell you right now. This is gonna be some amazing bloopers. So, let's go. So the first thing that I want you to do is write down all your feelings. What are you feeling right now? Are you worried? Are you sad? Are you angry? Are you tired? You can just feel drained of energy. Are you feeling tired? And so everything that you're feeling, both emotionally and mentally, and also physically, I want you to write them down in bullet points. That's it. And then after that, now it's time for reflection. And this is the big part. So what I want you to do is go through all of those bullet points and ask yourself, why? Why am I feeling this way? What is causing me to have this specific emotion? Because when you do that, you become very self-aware, like what is troubling you, because it might not seem like a big thing, and if you're talking to other people about issues, they can be like, well, that's not a big deal, but this, however, is, and you can be stuck feeling like, well, actually, that thing, that is a big deal to me. And so being aware of that is the first step in the process of actually being able to resolve it and do something about it. And so once you go through all of those bullet points and discovering like, why are you feeling this way? And how is this making your body react? Sometimes I can feel like just nauseated by things. Like I'm so sick and tired of one issue that I just feel like, ugh, I can't take it anymore. And I just want to move on from it. So after you've gone through all of this and you've gotten to the realization of what are the things that are bothering you, how it is affecting your body, then it's actually about that time to see what are you in control of, because that's where all the self-doubt comes in. Like you don't feel like you're in control, but it seems like everybody else around you have their life all under control and you don't. And if it is something out of your control, then you actually need to trust in the universe. And that's a hard thing to do. I know, I have been there. I still am at that point. Like, just to give you a little feedback of where I'm coming from. So I have been sick for a year and a half, probably longer, I think, looking back. And it is completely out of my control. There's nothing I can do. I just have to sit and wait. And I know that I knew that I had 1 year to discover or to find out what the issue is. And when you're told month after month after month, you just have to wait and see. Let's do this and then wait and see. And the time flies by. You know that I'm at risk losing my job, my income, I have a family, like these are big issues, but I can't do anything about it. So if you're having a problem like that, then all you can do is actually just look at, what do I have? How can I manage with what I got? So I can't control what is going on ahead or the outcome of what is going on, but I can control what I have right now. So what I did was I made some plans. Again, using my journal. I use my journal for everything, and sort of planned out, okay, well, this is where it's headed, and this is what I have and are able to do with it. And so for the rest, I actually had to have faith. I had to think to myself that whatever is meant to be is going to be. This happens for a reason. I am in the belief, and I know that this is a very hot topic, I know, but my belief is everything happens for a reason. Now, it may look terrible and horrible, and it may crush you, but down the line, this leads up to something else, right? It always does. It's when one door closes, another one opens. It's always like that. And so, at least it has been for me. And so, I had to have faith that things will be okay. But what I needed to do was to actually get to that point of realization. Like, these things I can control. And these things I cannot control. And so, these things I just have to leave there and trust. And just work on lowering my shoulders. And you can do that by many things. Like if you're feeling stressed, you can do meditations, you can do breathing practices, and a lot of stuff. But for the things that you can do something about, this is the last step. Like you need to figure out, so what do I need right now? And be gentle with yourself. Because criticizing yourself, like, I need to do better at this, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to just push on. Don't do that to yourself, because that only adds even more mental stress. But relax, lower your shoulders, and just speak nicely to yourself. Be gentle with yourself. Allow yourself to be sad, to be angry. Be understanding with yourself. And this is the part where I do the journaling. Like I do the bullet points for, writing down my feelings, writing down the issues or whatever, like in the bullet points. But then I sit down and I journal, and I can pour my heart out. Like I can be vulnerable. I can allow myself actually to feel pity on myself, because we do need that sometimes, because everybody else and the world around us are so set on you having to be perfect. Like you have to perform, you have to accomplish. So it's all about like go, 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 go. But every now and then you actually need to slow down and just relax. Draw yourself a bath, a salt bath. Do some spiritual things like going into nature, meditating, or like meditating is really, really, I think is the perfect way to actually just slow everything down. Like put on some calming music, close your eyes, and I guarantee you will fall asleep, because you will be so relaxed. And that is part of taking the physical stress off of your body as well as your mental stress. I hope this video was kind of helpful, and I hope to see you again soon. How to use your journal. This is just bullcrap. Oh my gosh. This is so uncomfortable, and looking in that lens right there, that is so hard, because I keep looking at myself. And yes, I am filming myself. I am using the front camera. Just saying, that's a no-no, but I do it anyway. So let's just see how it turns out. Okay, getting the vibe up, getting the hype up. So, how do I even start?